jump, 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 jump. Hi, I'm Heather from the Loveland Branch Librarian, here to share with you a fun STEM activity that you can do at home. You know, recently a friend asked me, "Can you make paper jump?" And I said, "What? Is this a trick question?" Of course. I grabbed some paper. Jump, 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 jump. That was easy. No problem. No, my friend said. "Can you make paper jump without holding it?" Okay, I said. "Here, I'll make this piece of paper jump." Jump, jump, jump. No, my friend said. "Can you make paper jump without holding it and without using your breath?" What? I said. Make paper jump without holding it and without using my breath? That sounds like magic. Or science. Here's how. First, you need to gather your materials. You'll need a balloon and some paper. I chose 3 different kinds of paper. Notebook paper, toilet paper, and paper towel. Next, you want to rip the paper up into little pieces. I ripped each paper into 5 little pieces and 1 big piece. Then, you need to make your observation chart. Observations are really important for scientists. I made a chart to keep track of my observations. On the left side of the chart, I put the different types of paper, and then I put 2 columns for 2 different kinds of observations. An observation of the paper before rubbing the balloon and an observation of the paper after rubbing the balloon. So let's observe the paper when we bring the balloon close to the paper, but we haven't rubbed the balloon yet. Here we go. That was the paper in the notebook paper, the balloon in the notebook paper. This is the balloon in the toilet paper. And the balloon in the paper towel. I didn't see any movement of those pieces of paper. Okay, next, your job is to rub the balloon on your head, on your hair. That's right, it might mess up your hair. That's okay. Keep rubbing. Because what we're doing now is we're rubbing electrons off of our hair onto the balloon. And when the electrons leave your hair, it gives your hair a negative charge. And when the electrons go onto the balloon, it gives the balloon a positive charge. And maybe you've heard the statement or the saying that opposites attract. And you can see a little bit that the balloon is attracted to the hair, and the hair is attracted to the balloon. I'm going to bring it close to the paper towel. And there, you saw the paper jump. You made the paper jump without touching the paper and without using your breath. So, there you have it, static electricity making paper jump. Thanks for watching. I hope you pop in again sometime.